Nature Lover Sanctuary. This architecturally designed executive residence is located in a peaceful cul-de-sac in an excellent neighbourhood, excellent neighbours and quality built homes, with the added attraction of serene natural amphitheatre at the back. This home is a desirable place for the person that loves nature and appreciates the unique features this home offers. There's a large central lounge dining room as you enter, which has wooden glass doors to the rear courtyard with its terrace gardens, creative paving, fire pit and magnificent vistas to the expansive backyard. There's a media room, lounge room off the central living room, and it features LED light doors and windows. The main bedroom is off this room and features a walk-in robe and a small ensuite. At the other side of the house there are another 2 bedrooms. Both have double glass doors that give access to the outdoors, and one has a private courtyard at the front of the home. The modern kitchen is also in the centre of the house and has plenty of bench and cupboard space. The versatile living room at the back of the home has reverse cycle air conditioning and a storeroom. It's been used as an artist studio and has access to the extraordinary backyard. Other features are a water tank, a small garden shed, and ducted evaporative air conditioning and solar hot water.